Hello, my name is Cristina Botinestean and I'm a food technologist at Teagasc. I'm focusing on the development of processed meat products. The most recent innovations in processed meats focus on healthier reformulations through reducing negative components and/or adding nutritional and health beneficial ingredients. Processed meats are a significant provider to consumers' intake of salt and saturated fats. These are consumed in higher levels of the recommended ranges in many countries, and therefore strategies to minimize the adverse effects of processed meats consumption are required. One of the strategies is to work on reducing salt and/or fat content of those processed meat products. This can be achieved by directly reducing the amount of salt and fat in the recipe. We can use, for example, a salt substitute or animal fat replacements. Salt is an essential ingredient in processed meat products, for example, in bacon, ham, sausages, patties, and so on, for technological and sensory purposes. It's well known that salt contributes to the flavor enhancement, it affects the texture and shelf life, and has a wide range of functionalities. Salt reduction can be applied to a various range of meat products. However, it is important that the factors like the type of meat cut or processing conditions to be taken into consideration. For example, in hams, the diffusion of salts is a very slow process. A mechanical action is usually required for the injection of the brine in the whole muscle, and the diffusion is accelerated by the brine curing and subsequent tumbling for several hours. On the other hand, fat replacers in meat products are ingredients that should not alter sensory properties and have a minimal impact on tenderness, mouthfeel, viscosity, and other processing properties. Fat or salt replacers should have a minimal impact on flavor and avoid a reduction of the shelf life. One application can be, for example, reducing the fat content in beef patties. This can be achieved by replacing animal fat with plant-based ingredients. Health-oriented reformulated meat products are promising, especially in terms of tackling the increasingly public health concerns involving the category of food products. However, it is very important to assess as well the consumer's acceptance of this type of products. We are working with state-of-the-art pieces of equipment, for example, our dry ager, which guarantee a perfect microclimate, and precise control, which ensures accurate temperature and humidity regulation. The dry ager is not only limited to dry aging beef, but can also be used for charcuterie products, air drying cured ham, and many other meat products. For companies interested in working on the reformulation of their meat products, we can provide technical support, expertise, as well as access to dedicated development and scaling facilities, allowing you to replicate and optimize conditions. Feel free to contact me at cristina.botinestean@teagasc.ie if you require further information. Thank you.